What I notice in my Nissan is that it's telling me already that I have to change the oil after not too many miles. Let's go check it out. So we do the menu. Let's go to settings, and then it's gonna be vehicle maintenance. Sorry, not vehicle settings, maintenance. Right there, click service air filter. So it's service. See, it's gonna tell you service, engine oil service due in 698 miles. And by my calculation, I did the oil change 8,000 miles ago. So this guy is really calculating something, you know. It's not only just a counter, because last time I changed the oil after 10,000 miles. So you see now it's 19. So already, this is gonna be already second time I changed the oil since I bought this car used at 3,000 miles approximately.